Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. Today's video, I kind of got impatient. I haven't got a forge yet or anything to do metal work with, so I went with the next best thing, and I'm going to teach you today how to make a knife out of a saw blade. Let's get into it. Have my freaking where you at? Oh, girl running. Anything? Is it really that cold where you are? Just go have a look outside real quick. T-shirt, jeans. Chilly, just a wee bit. So I'm gonna close my effing garage door. Oh, that fucking sucked all the heat out of my garage real fast. And then I'm gonna turn old Betsy back up, full power, and we're gonna cut this knife out. Look at that, opening my garage door just that long brought my internal, I'm freezing. All right, I'll see you guys on the grinding wheel. Sparks are hot. Now we can save this blade for later. So we might actually be able to get one to maybe two more prints out of it. But right now all we got is this, because you can't see because of the shine. Anyways, we got a rough cut. So now what we'll do is we'll put it in the vise. And we'll start cleaning up the edges, make it look nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Spares. Key guys it in. think what I'll do now is switch to the Dremel. See how many blades I break before I lose my damn mind. See if we can't fine tune this a little bit. It's looking good. We got our relief cuts in. Make it easier on us. But yeah, it's getting to eat. Alright, now we got an even rougher cutout shape. Although this is starting to look more like a knife than it did just sitting on a saw blade. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna put it back on, or at least redraw the lines. And then we're gonna take it to the belt sander and just kind of get it as close as we can with all the big pieces, and then we'll stick a barrel on the Dremel and get to kicking. Actually, for the bigger stuff, just to knock off most of this stock, we're gonna put a new wheel on the grinder. We're gonna put this is a cutting wheel. Put a grinding wheel on it and grind off as much as we can. I understand that you can't see my face right now because I didn't feel like changing the camera angle. I have a new setup. It's on a tripod. I'm not using my phone anymore. I'm using an actual effing camera. So instead of dicking with that, for the next shot, I'm just gonna talk to you like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and change that wheel up real quick. I'm gonna draw in the point of the blade was, and then we'll get to grinding off as much stock as we can.
Best Music Compilation.
Alright, so now we got most of the stock removed on the outermost edges of what I can hit with the grinding wheel itself. So now we'll take it, we'll probably throw it on the, I'll knock these burrs off later. But yeah, now we're gonna go in and get all this like inside stuff that we can't normally hit, and then we'll throw it on the belt sander to get a nice clean finish. So check you in a sec. So what we went ahead and did is I cut out the circle of the piece. I put it on here in Sharpie so I know what needs to be cut out. I don't know if you can tell, but I went ahead and center punched all the holes. We're just gonna work on the back one for now. We kind of got most of the rough shape in. All right. I think it fits pretty comfortable. That light has got to go. I need to find one that's quartered. All right. So that took quite some time. Here we go. Turns out that my Dremel, I was running out of. I was gonna burn through so many of those little tube sanders before I even had a chance to get close to this final product here. So what I ended up doing was I dug out the hand files and we went to effing town. It fits great, obviously, in my hand because that's how I shaped it. Something that was added in after the fact. See that little thumb? Alright, little lip dip right there. It's for your thumb. To get a nice clean hold on it. But I think it is pretty late in the afternoon. I gotta get some sleep for work tonight. So we're gonna leave it at that, and tomorrow we'll come in and we'll put in the edge and we'll sand it, get it nice and sharp. Alright guys, come back for the next episode when we put in our edge, and I will see you all then. Peace.